that you'll always be around. You got me on a high, I don't wanna come down, and I don't wanna fall.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Ali Jazz. Today we will be achieving the short passion twist look that gives you a whole summer vibe, vacation vibe, or any vibes in general. Like, this is just lit. I love it. Hope you guys love it. Sit back and relax and enjoy this video. Love you guys. Bye. Okay guys, so things you'll need: a rat tail comb, a crochet needle, gel, or if you have like a twisting gel, because I have this lock and twist, braiding butter, edge control, something to lay down your parts. You could use edge control, but you know, hey, so I'll be using between this and Shining Jam, and also your hair. So the hair I have is the Water Wave Springy in the 1B30 by Ghana Twist. So I'll show you all the desired look that I'm going for. Yeah, so let's get into it. Like I say, I'm going to part my hair for the back. That ain't gonna be cute. So, and yeah, so when I get to the front, I'll start recording to show y'all what I be doing and how it gonna look. Okay, so okay y'all, so I just finished parting my hair. These are the parts, if you can see. So this might be a little part tonight, you know, like start tonight and then start tomorrow, start again tomorrow, because the light might go out. You know, BBL is so unpredictable.
Lord, I'm having a heart attack. Damn, this is some scary shit.
So I'm gonna show you guys, but I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see. So y'all can see, right? I'm gonna put that through. So here I'm going to put the crochet hook through my part that I have there, my section there. I close it and I pull the hair through. Okay, we having some problems. Seriously? Gosh, that's how it was. If you could have, I was just like, what's going on? Okay, trying to figure out. So I close the hook, I pull the hair through. Then you got hair, you're only pulling one side out. So that's what I was doing. Girl. Oh, yeah, this hair tends to get caught up in anything. So like this was in my ear and I was like very pissed because yeah, I cut that other part up. So you just pull it out. I would advise cutting the hair before you like how this is like 24 inches. I advise cutting the hair before you put it on the hook. Alright, let's get to it. Let's get into it. So from here I start to braid, and I braid the top part of the twist to, you know, keep a nice grip and hold on it. Right now it's a little blurry, and the only thing I'm focusing on is my mannequin head in the back there. Say hi, Imani, because that's what that is. She's always up, and she's gonna be up in this video because that's the only face they can recognize, not mine. So let's go. Jeez, after we braid this a little, well, we have this tangle. I can't see, and I'm about to cry because I want at least start this tonight and I can't see, so.
No.
So we already braid. Now we're gonna get our hair and gel your hair, moisturize your hair. So put some gel on it to keep it moisturized. If you have like a creaming butter or something, but the gel will help both. the hair and your hair stay together. Let that unravel. See? No. So when you do like that, you have to unravel it. And in the meantime, I'm gonna cut the hair. So it don't have to be so long because I know my hair ain't that long. So gonna lose it. Excuse me. You know what? Tomorrow I can come back to y'all for real.
3 hours later.
Hey y'all, so I'm back. So this is what I did so far. This is that. Now the length is supposed to show the length. So this is how it's looking. I'm gonna move the rubber bands up because all isn't even. But I let my cut that when I finish. But this is what we did so far. I tied. So the parting was like 40 minutes. Yeah, 40 minutes to an hour. And then this hair, well, I started at 7 when I told you I was gonna come back because I wasn't sure about the light. But the light is still on, so we good. But why you ain't focusing? Okay, yeah. So y'all, I look rough. It looks stink and rough. But yeah, so I started when I told them to come back, so I was like 7. But with passion twists, when you like twisting, you gotta twist a certain way to get like that form twist. So if you twist another way, then you have to loose it out and do it again. So that's what really was going on in here. And yeah, so anyway, when I get up here, I'll be back, okay?
Rise and shine.
Hey y'all, so this is the next one, right? Let's show y'all hurricane. The hurricane name, the meaning of the name is God of our salvation. God of salvation. So we check out hurricane. BRB. Y'all can see? Hey honey. I should record earlier so y'all can just see, you know. So yeah. Okay, back to the regular schedule program. I decided to cut the hair shorter so it'll be easier to pull through and it wouldn't take as long. So right now we're just pulling the hair through. You could gel your hair and right now, or you could do it before you pull the hair through. And now we're going to braid. And then you split your hair. You can either split your hair in two, or you can put it to one side of the twist. And honestly, I can't tell you which way to twist because it varies for the different type of hair you use. So you don't have to do a uniform like how I have my twist. You could have some, you know, in a more untidy fashion. And add gel as you go. Just keep adding gel to secure your hair and seal your hair in. Any kind of gel, any twisting gel, eco style gel, any gel. And that's it. Oh, and don't forget to add the rubber band to the end. So that's what I was doing at this part coming up, and I just wanted to align it with the other twist that I had there. So I was just adding the rubber band there.
So I guess when I get to these two, I'll come out to them. So firstly, gel the hair, right? Make sure it's saturated and gel, so it's moisturized and everything, right? Then you put your crochet hook and you're gonna put it in sideways like this, right? Just like that. Then you get your hair, you just make a loop right in the front. Just like that. Okay. Pull it through. Like that. Pull one side out. Left side to even it. Then you're gonna split your hair evenly between the two. You're gonna twist going this way. We are going to Moose. John, I like it. I love it. And this is it in the middle. We're gonna Moose. Show you the back. Are you back again? Okay, y'all, so I'm back and this is the final look of my hair. This is everything. This is everything. So let me stand up so you can see how short it looks in the back. This is back. Okay, so I would just like to say thank you guys for watching this video. It's been a long few hours. I my light isn't back on as yet. It's 3 o'clock. My light isn't on yet. I put in a little style, but okay, let me take it out so y'all can see, like, if you want to wear it out. Oops. So let's say you want to wear it this side, like this. What's going on? Why did I do like that? Okay. Let's just say you want to wear it like that. Side. And if you want to wear it in the middle. In the middle. In the middle. You can put it up in the bun. I think so. Oh yes, if you want to put it up in the bun, you can do that as well. You could leave 2 in the back and do that at the bun. Yeah. But this is the final look, y'all. I absolutely love it. Oh, I just put some more on this side. I absolutely love it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's very simple. You just need the things that I said previously, and I also put them down in the description box below. And thank you guys for watching.